Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 77 Chevy K10 with a Silverado package. Truck come out of Idaho. Originally a 400 V8 truck, now a 454. Had a repaint at one time. You can see it's got pretty good shine to it. A little orange peel there, but not bad at all. And rust isn't an issue, obviously, being from Idaho. Probably got a little bit of a lift on it, maybe 2 inches at most, probably. You can see it's nice and clean underneath. They put on the bottom there, put some rock guards so you can go driving on a gravel road and not chip it all up. Seat's in good shape, got one black spot right there. Like I said, local Idaho truck. Still got the headliner in it. Your 4-wheel drive shifter, tilt, and then does got a Sony stereo, aftermarket stereo, and it is an air truck also. There you can see my reflection in the paint, so it's got a pretty good shine to it. They did the bed and bed liner. Bumper's in good shape. Got aftermarket Ultra wheels, Cooper radial Discovers. What size are they? Let's see if I can see here. And they're 15s, but yep, 33, 12, 50, 15s. Got dual tanks. On dual tank trucks, pretty hard for me to check if they work, so I don't ever guarantee the dual tanks. But so a nice truck if you're looking for a nice square body. Great investment here. Little upgrades with a little bit of a couple-inch lift, plus the 454 and custom wheels and tires. So nice truck. Any questions? 605-695-7391.